I'm Dr. Andrew Elkwood.
And I'm Dr. Matthew Kaufman. We are co-directors at the Center for the Treatment of Paralysis and Reconstructive Nerve Surgery at Jersey Shore University Medical Center.
Clinical trials are an important part of providing quality clinical care in an academic setting. Sometimes clinical trials are used for really cutting-edge and novel techniques, particularly in surgery, as we do. Sometimes clinical trials are used just to look at your results from procedures that you've been doing for years and years. And we have a mechanism at all academic centers where any clinical trial, anytime you're planning on writing up results, whether it be from a new procedure or from an old procedure but you just want to examine your statistics, need to go before a board. And that board makes sure that everything is done ethically and properly. So if you've been asked to be enrolled in a clinical trial, it may mean that you're getting a new novel procedure that is not offered anywhere else in the world. Or it may be that we are collecting statistics on procedures that are tried and true. So when a patient talks to their physician about a clinical trial, they need to understand that in context.
It's fantastic that at Meridian Health there are numerous, I want to say hundreds of clinical trials ongoing, and we have in our nerve center 10 active clinical trials.
And these trials have to do with combinations of different techniques and then looking at the final results of these patients and in the process giving them the most innovative care possible with hopefully the best results possible.
The procedures are not experimental, but the need for clinical trials is based on the desire to have outcomes data. So in other words, to assess the results of how the patients are doing, and in order to benefit others that are living with the same problem.
Ultimately, clinical trials benefit patients. It allows cutting-edge therapies to be applied to their case when it's appropriate. So it really helps for quality control. It stimulates creative thinking, creative problem solving on the part of the physicians to help better outcome, and is another regulatory approach to oversee care. So patients are often much better off if involved in a clinical trial.
Having the ability to have these clinical trials here at Jersey Shore University Medical Center allows patients in New Jersey and in the region to be part of these projects and therefore benefit. And if it wasn't here, they wouldn't necessarily have the ability to partake, and having this available in the region allows them to do so.